My hydrangea never bloomed. I have tried everything. What can I do? And this is Rocco. So he's having problems with his hydrangeas not blooming. But we have some questions as well, right?
Yeah, where is it planted?
Okay.
What kind of light is it getting?
And
what kind of soil? I mean, what kind of soil? Is it wet there? Is it drier there?
And then what kind of hydrangeas are we talking about?
Which kind? Because you can have from shade to sun for hydrangeas. There's all different kinds.
Sure.
Check the moisture. Check the soil pH. Make sure it's in the range that hydrangeas like.
Right.
Which I was thinking, they like it a little bit acid, like 6 to 6.2 or something like that.
They do. You're correct.
And that's about all you need to do. I mean, it's either you don't want to over fertilize it too. So hopefully he's not over fertilizing it, because too much fertilizer will get you a lot of foliage and not as many blooms.
Right. Specifically, too much nitrogen fertilizer for sure will give you a lot of foliage.
And you should be soil testing to see if you even need any.
Yes, that's for sure.
At all. So.
So
I would try those things.
I would try those, and of course, you know, what came to mind to me was this: did he prune them incorrectly?
Oh, I didn't think about that too. Yeah, it depends on what kind of hydrangea it is. It can either be pruned right after it finishes blooming, or you can prune it in the spring. But if you prune it in the spring before it blooms and it blooms on second year growth, then you have cut off all of your blooms. So it really, you need to know what type of hydrangea you have to know when to prune it too.
I would agree with that. So how about cold damage? I mean,
that's
possible.
You could, depending on where he's from, it could be cold damage.
Right.
Maybe he needs to reach out to his local extension service and see if, you know, they can help him out with the variety that it is, and, you know, when he needs to prune it and what else he can do.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.